Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family if you haven't already joined. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. On today's video, we have the second part to the high-end Christmas ornaments. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For the materials you will need: a paintbrush, Mod Podge, white paint, snow, glitter, your tags, and also ribbon. So what we're doing right now is we're painting the picks with white paint. We're giving the illusion of white snow. We are going to apply berries onto the picks. So now what we're doing is we're going to apply Mod Podge inside of the ornament, because what we're going to do next is going to pour the glitter and also the snow inside. So basically it's self-explanatory. If you just look at the video, you can catch what we're doing, and it's just, that's Mod Podge that's going inside of the ornament. Now we are taking and applying the glitter inside, and you can use as much glitter as you desire. We're just kind of sprinkling it all the way through, and we're going to, once we get the glitter in there, we're going to shake the bulb around a little bit just so the glitter can adhere to the ornament. were wooden stick-ons where you could stick them on items, but what we did was we drilled a little small hole into them and we made tags out of them because we are doing a crafts show and we wanted to look very professional, so we are presenting them with a little tag on the ornament. So if you're doing a gift or maybe even for sale, then you want to consider maybe putting some type of a tag on it because it does give it that professional look. Because we did not measure, we ended up having to kind of like fix the pick inside of the ornament. So make sure that you measure your pick before you place it in there. It'll make things a whole lot easier. We do apologize for the inconvenience that we're having right here. We know that the camera was out of focus, so you can't completely see the tag, but we are grateful that you can see something, you can see somewhat of the tag on how we're making it. So I don't know, we don't know what was going on at that moment, but it was out of focus. This does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time. We would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.